So today I've been called a criminal, clueless and careless by an organisation that is supposed to support me and my fellow drone pilots. So that statement was made publicly and recorded by the head of unmanned aircrafts at NATS. So that is the person that is supposed to be the champion for drone pilots in the UK. So that's a bit shocking, isn't it? So I legally get a drone, I do my course, I spend my money, I submit hours and hours of practice and time. I learn about the laws, about aviation laws. I sit an exam, I sit various bits and bobs. I pass. I then submit my application to the CAA to then get my license, which is not cheap. So does that mean that Andrew is undermining the CAA, the person that gives us our qualification and says, you know, we are licensed, we are not criminals, we are not careless, and we are very careful in our operations and what we do. And bearing in mind that drone operators are getting a bad reputation at the moment, so for them to have the head of NATS talking the same way about people that myself are very careful in what we do, we're insured, we're licensed, we follow every single bit of guidance from the CAA and from NATS as well, to be then told that we are careless, criminal and clueless. That is such a kick in the teeth for people like us that spend all this money, time and care making sure that we do this legally. That is just, I'm appalled, absolutely appalled, and I'd love to hear your views on this because this is just shocking. We do a fantastic job, and yet we're getting people from one of the heads at NATS is talking about their members like this, the people that they are supposed to be championing and advocating. For me, I feel that there's a hidden agenda here. There's something else happening. For somebody that's supposed to be championing us, talking about us in this way is just shocking as far as I'm concerned. I know NATS have put out a public apology today, but I really think that Andrew needs to come to the forefront and apologise, because this is not on. You know, we are not criminals, we are not careless, and we certainly are not clueless.